Good morning everyone, I am Harpreet and in this video session I am going to tell you about note making, that is the question in your reading section. Firstly I am going to send you the paragraph. That paragraph will be there in your homework. You will read that paragraph and will divide this paragraph into 3 paras. You will see the first para is starting from conversation and ending lines, only first para, ending lines are in their interest. So firstly you write here title of the para that is going to start from conversation and ending in their interest. After that you have to find out what is the appropriate title, what is the appropriate heading of the first para only. The heading is the art of conversation. After finding, you will write the heading in capital letter. After that, subheadings, subpoints. You will start the subpoints exactly from the first letter of the heading, and you will find out the subheadings: required, interesting subject, hobbies, talk about other fellows' interest or hobbies, win reputation by good conversation. So minimum three subheadings must be there. After that you will leave the space of one line and you will read the next para and have to write here title of the para that is going to start from it's a just and the ending lines are paid for it. Then heading of the para, will write the heading in the capital letter, same as you was doing in the first para. After that space, completing this second para space, and the third para you will start here. See that I'm using here some abbreviations. For example, here I'm using REQT. This is short form of required, and here REPT, this is a short form of repetition. Why I'm using there? Because you have to prepare the abbreviation box too. See here, prepare this abbreviation box with the help of pencil. Here you will write the words that you have used as a short form, and in that side you will write the words which is the full form of these short words. Minimum 6 to 7 abbreviations must be there. Don't forget to write word abbreviation at the starting. And then the main title. Here we are talking about conversation, so the main title is conversation. One thing more here, when I'm writing subheadings here, see the subheadings, these are only the group of words, means phrases. I'm not using full sentence here. For example, see the first line, required, interesting subject, hobbies. Rather than writing it required, interesting subjects like hobbies, I'm writing only few words. So you have to avoid subject and verb. You will write only with the help of words, that is called phrases. Here is our second question of the same part, note making. The first question was there that you have to frame this passage into the notes and have to write abbreviation too. That was our first question. And the second question is you have to write summary here. Your summary must be in 80 to 100 words. You have to summarize the whole para into 80 to 100 words. The best way and the easiest way to do this, use those phrases that you were using while note making, use here as a full sentence, means use helping verb subjects there, and these can be 9 to 10 lines and you can easily use while writing summary. So this was all about our note making. If you have any doubt you can ask me and we shall discuss this topic in our classes too. Thank you. Have a nice day.